Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best front and back camera for cars, the Pelsee P1 Duo 4K dash cam. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this dash cam has features that not only enhance your driving experience but also provide peace of mind, all while capturing stunning footage in both the front and rear of your vehicle. Let's start with what makes this camera stand out: the 4K plus 1080p dual-channel recording. The front camera offers ultra-clear 4K video at 30 frames per second, using a 170-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring that every detail is captured, from road signs to license plates. The rear camera, on the other hand, records in full 1080p with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, giving you comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Whether you're involved in an accident, or you just want to record an interesting encounter on the road, the Pelsee P1 Duo ensures that nothing goes unnoticed. Another standout feature of the Pelsee P1 Duo is its built-in Wi-Fi and app control. Through the Pelsee Cam app, you can easily control the dash cam, view footage in real time, and even download and edit videos directly from your smartphone. This app allows you to instantly share your travel highlights with friends or loved ones without the hassle of removing the SD card. The dash cam also comes with voice-activated control, which is a game-changer for anyone who wants to stay focused on the road. You can simply speak to the camera to start or stop recording, capture photos, or even lock videos, all while keeping your hands safely on the wheel. This is a great feature for anyone who values both convenience and safety while driving. When it comes to nighttime driving, the Pelsee P1 Duo doesn't disappoint. Equipped with excellent night vision capabilities, the camera performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions. Thanks to its advanced image processing technology and 1.5 aperture, the dashcam minimizes glare from headlights and ensures that you can still capture every important detail, even in the darkest environments. For added security, the Pelsee P1 Duo features a 24-hour parking mode. This means the camera will automatically switch to parking surveillance when your car is stationary, monitoring your surroundings even when you're away. With time-lapse recording, it efficiently condenses footage to save power and storage, ensuring you don't miss anything while parked. You'll also benefit from the G sensor, which detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the footage to preserve it for evidence. In terms of storage, the Pelsee P1 Duo comes with a 64GB SD card, which should be more than enough for your daily driving needs. But if you need more space, the dash cam supports up to 256GB, ensuring you have plenty of room for longer trips or more footage. Plus, with loop recording, the oldest files are automatically overwritten, so you never have to worry about running out of space. The dash cam features a 1.5-inch IPS display, which is perfect for checking the status of your camera and adjusting settings easily. The intuitive user interface makes it simple to operate, and if you ever have any questions, Pelsee provides excellent customer support to help you with any concerns or issues that may arise. Overall, the Pelsee P1 Duo 4K dash cam is packed with features that make it one of the best dash cams available for both front and rear coverage. With its exceptional video quality, ease of use, voice control, and security features, this dash cam is a must-have for anyone looking to protect themselves on the road. Whether you're dealing with an accident or just want to capture the scenic beauty of your drive, the Pelsee P1 Duo has you covered. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in picking up the Pelsee P1 Duo for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.